Know before you go. Decoding car titles with Salvage Reseller. Sometimes we don't read the fine prints and just buy the car we love, not knowing the title status of the vehicle. But there are different kind of titles, so let's check it out. These are the basic ones. Number 1, clean title. The golden ticket. This means the car has no major issues or accidents in its history. Number 2, salvage title. I love this one. Tolled out by insurance due to significant damage like fire, flood, or even theft. This is when the repairs quoted cost more than the car worth. This is not always true. If you know what you're doing, there's a huge opportunity for you buying a car with this type of title. Number 3, rebuild title. Previously salvaged but repaired and considered roadworthy again. Number 4, young title. Not so lucky, this car's seen better days and is only good for parts. So next time you're looking for that dream car, make sure to pick out its title status. Don't forget to share this information with all of your friends. They will love it. And stay informed and stay savvy. See you in the auctions.